hindi nila kainin yung kangkong natin.
Hindi naman siguro nila ubusin. Consideration ko din naman.
Teens, pasok. Adults, labas.
Sabi ko sa inyo, yung plato!
Lalabas ka ba?
They were cooking tortang talong.
Nakahiter ata tayo.
Oh, we shouldn't eat it, guys, kasi tig-isa ng egg na para sa kanila. So, you know, it would be quite unfair. I think it's called pulutan, kuya. When it was in the plate, tapos it was just there.
Hi, Jordan.
And you know with chips, kuya, when you eat one, you're gonna eat another one. And then you're gonna say, okay, I'll stop. Tapos you just keep going.
Teens, labas. Adults, pasok.
Eh, tinuloy nila. Dami pa, Soy. Ha? Dami pa. Tuloy, marunong ka? Tuloy.
Teens, tingnan nyo naman. Mumog na lang pinapapak ni Dylan.
Kaunti lang nakuha ko. Sobrang dami na kinuha nila dyan.